Hey guys, welcome to We Are Not the Same TV. Okay, so I have just washed my natural hair. I am going to now start my blow dry process. I got my sleek comb, wide tooth comb, really good whether you wash your hair or any type of detangling. For heat protection, I got my creme aragan oil. So I'm gonna just spray a little bit of that. Don't need a lot. Work it through. My hair is really soft. I also use the Conaie coconut oil shampoo and detangler. Got my scrunchie, which I always need. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with some sections. Do some sections. Move the comb out a little bit more. Okay. So I don't have a ton of hair, as you can see. So I'm going to start off in 3 sections. Get a couple of things to hold my sections down. I have been planning to wash my hair for days, but I don't know. I work, get tired, I guess. My hair is really soft. I love Cream of Nature. I'm working with the Conaie. I got an attachment. I think it works better. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to spritz that again with the Cream of Nature Heat Protectant Humidity Spray. And let's get started. So that got me pretty straight. I love that blow dryer. It kind of does all the work. By the way, I have not put any heat on my hair since June. So that's what, 4 months? 4 months, no heat. I have been doing just natural styles like leave-in conditioners with flat twist. So again, I'm gonna spritz this on that portion of hair. Rub that through, evenly distribute, as they say. And I want to make sure to get the ends. Again. There's no hair in that comb, by the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry the back.